Dummy.
Young Boss Music.
Thank you for y'all. So much pain that you caused me. I look at the pain in my mama's eyes. This shit got me stressed, it got me traumatized. And mama know I can't tell no lies, baby. And all these people steady plotting and they faking. I look at the pain in my mama's eyes. This shit got me stressed, it got me traumatized. Yes, sir. I'm back with another legendary video and kicking it with the LA Neck Breakers tonight. We chilling for my dog CC birthday party. You know, we pulling up, making a lot of noise. They gonna know we here. You feel me? So let's get it. Stop playing. We is out here. Follow my dog. Feel me? Yes, sir. You see it? Stop playing. With the lights. Stop playing.
Excuse me, little young man.
I don't even got one.
You wanna go to light?
One of them probably got one.
Say, young.
What's that with it? You good?
Good with it, man.
Cool. Yes, sir. Stop, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? I'm about to do the follow. Yes, sir. Alright, thank you. Yes, sir.
Oh, you would have to put the strip right here. The strip would go right across the top.
No, I don't have one on. Follow my dog.
You see, I got my hair like.
Y'all already know how I am. Yes, sir. Stop playing. We ain't done yet. Stop playing. Mustang gang too. Yes, sir. Y'all already know. Yes, sir. My dog brother. Yes, sir. Stop playing. Stop playing. Y'all see it? Y'all see it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm like, who the fuck I'm gonna call?
No, babe, no. Go ahead. Go, babe, go. Woo! Go, babe, go. Hurry up, get in front of this car, get in front of this car. Go, go, go. That's fucking close.
So y'all know, I told y'all I got him. I told y'all I was gonna get the lights, I really got him. Told you I was gonna get some more mods, man. I told you it's coming. It's coming. Yes, sir. It's coming, y'all. I told y'all. I'm back. I'm doing mods as much as I can for right now. Let's get it. And I can control it from my phone. That's what I really love about it. I can change it any color I want to. Any color, man. I know my car look dirty from all the dust. I got a detail today, but yeah, man, I got a new mod done. Something I've been wanting. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Wait till y'all find out what's next. Y'all see it? I got that baby done up to date. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it?
Turn around and get a phone.
Get back and get smacked.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. He told you. Yes, sir. That's how you do that shit. Well, goddamn. Yes, sir. Real shit. Stop playing. That's how you fucking do that shit, boy.
I ain't Vin Diesel.
Stop playing. That nigga said I want to make sure I still got it. You better get the fuck out of the way. That's a big bitch, you might want more.
Fucking delete it.
Nigga said delete that shit.
Hola.
smoking. Your shit gon' melt.
All right.
Let us sit and chill.
Young Boss Music.
So much pain that you caused me. I look at the pain in my mama's eyes. This shit got me stressed, it got me traumatized. And mama know I can't tell no lies, baby. And all these people steady plotting and they faking. I look at the pain in my mama's eyes. This shit got me stressed, it got me